Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today is day 3 of learning how to drive a manual transmission on my 350Z. We are here with none other than Jonathan, of course, why not? And here she is. Look at her, guys, look at her, she is amazing. I also bought a couple more things I want to tell you guys real quick. You can't really see it in there right now. Yeah, you kind of can. So I bought a shift knob and a shift boot because I want to go for, like, on the interior, I want to do like some purple trim and carbon fiber and stuff like that, and then have like the outside be black with chrome wheels and all this stuff, and then a purple underglow. That's kind of what I'm going for here. So I bought a purple shift knob and a purple carbon fiber purple boot, which the boot looks awesome. And there was another carbon fiber shift knob that I wanted that was purple that matched up with it, but it's out of stock and they aren't getting them back in stock anytime soon. So I just went with the Mishimoto one, but those should be coming in soon and we'll get that on. We also still have to do the windshield wiper plug and something else in here that if you guys saw last video, you know what's in there. She's cooking up in there. But yeah, we got a couple things coming in. So the video after this, I'm sure it's gonna be me learning how to drive it still. But then maybe the video after that, I'll do a couple mod videos so you guys don't get bored of the driving, and then back to the driving, if that makes any sense. But today we're gonna learn how to drive this bad boy yet again for the 3rd time. And we're gonna have John back this baby out because I still don't trust myself doing that. Here she comes. Woo. Oh my Lord. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy on my ever-loving soul. Oh my Lord, Lord Jesus, Lord. That thing is beautiful, guys. Oh, also, I brought a dongle today because I have an aux in the car. And last time we didn't get to listen to music and it kind of sucked. So I brought a dongle so we could listen to music today. First drive. She's on the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. I love this car, man. I love this car. But also, guys, while we're sitting here and it's not too loud yet and I still have it in my mind, I'm gonna go over real quick like the plans and what's coming in the future of this car. I was just talking to John about it, so it reminded me. As I said, we're getting that shift stuff for the interior. This part I want to get carbon fiber, same with this part. And I want to put a head unit in here, like a Pioneer, a Sony one, whatever, the one that has like Apple CarPlay. And then obviously I need to put my panels back in and stuff down here. For the roof, we actually, me and my friend Jimmy, who has a 350Z, have this plan to take this whole headliner off, paint it black, and then do like a starry headliner. That's gonna be a big project, but hopefully it works in my favor. I don't know why I said it like that. But yeah, a bunch of different parts for the interior that are just tiny little cosmetic things. Obviously, I want to get like a quick release steering wheel. Obviously, I want to get like roll cage in the back, harnesses, and seats. That's in the future. That's expensive. For the outside, it's mainly just gonna stay black. Repair, like fix the hood, get a new hood, buy a new bumper, get side skirts, a rear diffuser, rear wing, stuff like that. For the most part, the back is just kind of gonna kind of just stay the same. But yeah, that's the plans for right now. I hope you guys are excited. I have so much stuff that I need to buy and such little money, so it's kind of a problem, but we're going slowly but surely.
First drive of the day. Starting on a slight incline.
What's up, guys? Just chilling.
There we go, take off.
I apologize for not doing it before. You are right. I wanted to be safe, so I'm sorry.
There you go.
Boys, this hill is massive.
That was a good one. There we go. You didn't even go far back.
Oh, the shifting into second was rough though.
You're still going straight, not going back.
Okay. did it good that time, boys. That was the first time. Dude, this thing handles like it's on rails. Look at it.
It don't matter. All right, here it comes. Foot on the clutch a little bit. Get up there, get up there, get up there. There we go. Alright, and now ride the clutch a little bit. Ride the clutch a little bit. Ride the clutch.
I'm on the brake right now. What do you want me to? Oh, you want me to? Oh, okay.
You have to ride on the clutch so you can get used to not rolling back. So let off on the clutch a little bit. Yep, now put your foot on the gas. Yep, right now, right. Yep, that's good, that's good. Go, go, go. I pull up high spot, right up front to where the baby was. Every time I look at what was not in the video because it cut out. Marked successfully.
Yeah, goddamn GoPro batteries dying so quickly. It's caused it so you guys couldn't see me successfully pull off on a hill. With a person behind me too, which made me like poop in my pants a little bit. There's a little squirt in there, but I made it.
He didn't roll back. There we go.
Sorry, boys, trying to downshift like correctly. It's hard for me to like catch. Oh, it's your boss.
Yeah. It's hard. Had to give him a wave.
It's hard for me to catch like you see that it bucks a little bit every time I either shift up or shift down. It's hard for me to catch it. So I'm trying to figure that out now. The thing I'm still so worried about is hills. But I mean, I did pretty good on the hill back there a little bit, but I feel like it's just committing. You know, you got to realize that it's gonna you have to rev it up. You know, you can't just like baby your car. This is my boy Zach's car. Oh my God, Zach, I love your car. When I get over here, but let me park first. Boys, look at, first of all, drove it all the way up here. She's looking good, but also this is my. Look at Zach's GTI. Look at Zach's GTI. Come on, man. Look how dirt nasty low. Zach's GTI is so low. I love this thing. Look at this. You guys ready? This thing is so stupidly low. It's so funny. They got no front bumper because no front bumper gang.
Yup. I have a front bumper, but yeah.
Look at. I love Zach's car. Zach, if you're watching this, dude, your car's hilarious. I love it. Woo! We out here. We out here in the 860. I'm gonna drive like a mom. Alright, taking off at the stop sign.
No, shift good, shift good. Not bad, not bad. There we go.
That guy was looking at the Z that just passed us. He wants the Z.
Slow legacy. What do you think about that?
Yeah, we're chilling, you know, it's not that big a deal. He can be as slow as he wants, but at the same time, if I crash into him, you know, he's got to understand. There's a 350Z behind him. I mean, like, like, what was that? Yeah, I don't know. Alrighty, so now John's gonna give us a little drive around in his car because he hasn't driven his car in so long. It's been just like my car, sitting around getting worked on. So it's finally ready. It just isn't registered, so we're not gonna drive it too far. But like, dude, look at this car, man. Like, look at how, like, it's just perfect in every way. It's perfect. It really is. Oh my God. I love the car, man. I love this thing. Love it so much. But here's John's car. Here's a little walk around of John's car. It's a Mitsubishi Eclipse. I think it's a 03, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's an 03 Mitsubishi Eclipse GT. It's a V6. That's nice. I don't know how much horsepower it got, but V6, 24 valve, or not 20. Yeah, thing's nice, and he just got it ready. So now we're gonna go take it for a little spin. Hope you guys are excited. Also, something cool sounds like it's about to drive by. Nope. Just a truck. I thought it was like a motorcycle or something. All right, we're in the old Eclipse. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mishimoto, sponsor me, please. Also, look at this. I need one of them. I need one of them bad boys.
Ready for subs.
Oh, ready for subs. Oh, boy. No, this does not need subs. This is loud.
No. I need more bass, you know.
Yeah, I get you, I feel you.
Need more loud.
Tell me you still work on the dial. She has them get up.
Maybe the exhaust a little bit more.
Oh yeah, the exhaust.
Ready for a little bit?
Yeah. Give her what you got. Yeah, alright, that quick, man.
Here we go, find it. There you go. Perfect. Riding with it. Here we go.
I'm gonna try and start on this big hill again, guys, because this is a big hill, and I want to be able to know that, like, if there's a car behind me when I'm driving, I won't hit into them.
Right there. That's right. Foot on the brake.
Jeez.
There we go. There you go. It's okay. Yep. Perfect.
Shit, that was a big one.
That's a big one. It's alright, don't think about it. The more you think, the more it'll happen. Just shift it, that's it. It happens when you're trying to go quick. You just gotta get it good, get it quick, get it right.
Alrighty guys, so that is the end of today's part of trying to drive the old Z, baby, around. John's going to park it right now. So hard to park it in here though, it's such a tight fit, but he's got it, Look at this. So tight. But yeah, he's gonna, pretty much that's it for today. That's it for part 3. Tomorrow we will, we'll pick up where we left off. I did pretty good today. I'm trying to learn how to drive on hills more, because obviously I can't drive it around if I don't know how to start on a hill yet, because there's a lot of hills and I don't want to back into somebody. So that would, I gotta master that before I can actually drive it on my own. So that's the plan. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, comment down below, poop sack, and das vidania, and have a nice day.
Driving good?
Yeah, thanks.
Driving good?
Thanks. You like that shift, guys? Did you like that one?